My name is Harva and I'm going to explain the conclusion of my graph. This is the daily consumption of water in hospital activity, and we multiply by 4, that is 2,294.64, and that's a lot of water. So in conclusion, we need to change that, because by information of other website it says that Spain is one of the countries who wastes a lot of water, and by conclusion we need to change.
After doing an analysis of the water footprint of the class, we found that the average of water the class uses was clearly too much, because the results were too high in comparison with the average of the USA, that is 300 or 400 liters a day, and it is also a huge number of liters that we use in comparison to the average of Spain, that has 142 liters of water a day, but it is still a lot of water. The water we spend should be 50 or 100 liters at most. To understand how much is wasted, 142 liters is a large bathtub full of water, or 142 bottles of water of 1 liter each. In conclusion, we should take measures not to waste that much water.
Floods are a type of natural disaster caused by temporary overflows of water onto land that is normally dry.
But now we are going to talk about the floods in Spain. Spain is a country that currently has floods. One example is in Barcelona, most specifically in the zone of Tarragona. The heavy rains in this place were a disaster for people because it caused floods in streets and damage to homes.
The increase of floodings in Spain is due to a well-known global phenomenon. Climate change, high temperatures affect the natural water cycle. These affectations have their consequences. In territories like Spain, where the temperature increase has been notable, the water cycle is interrupted. Due to these high temperatures, the amount of ice that melts is greater. Doing so, that water that had been for many centuries in ice form, without actively participating in the water cycle, now forms part of it. So there is much more water in the cycle. In addition, this water, in liquid state, also evaporates more easily due to high temperatures. So the water is stored mostly in the atmosphere, since it does have a great capacity to store this water. But the consequences of this water stored in the atmosphere are evident. When the rains start, the amount of water that falls is significantly higher and, together with a terrain with a little absorption capacity, create floods all over the country. Some examples of these floods would be on September 1st, 2021, when there occurred a heavy rain in Spain. The most affected zones were Castilla-La Mancha, Valencia, Tarragona, and Madrid. A drought is a period of dry weather because of the lack of rain. This period of absence of water causes health problems.
One example is in summer 2022 in Spain there was one of the worst heat waves. The rains at the beginning of June in Galicia, Asturias and Navarra alleviated the alarming state of lack of water in the north, but the fear of a general drought on the map of Spain increases after spending the second driest month of May since 1961. According to the latest updates, the Basque Country, Cantabria, Asturias and the northern area of Aragon are the most humid areas in our country. This situation has not occurred since 2005 when, according to AMIT data, the lack of precipitation goes hand in hand with important changes in temperature. Thus, the first month of 2022 has left innumerable ephemeris in maximum and minimum temperatures.